I welcome you to a new show which is called Books of the Bible. In today's show, we will learn first 5 books of the Old Testament. So the first book is Genesis, and Genesis has 50 chapters. And the second one is Exodus, and it has 40 chapters. And the third one is Leviticus, and it has 27 chapters. And the fourth one is Numbers, and it has 36 chapters. And the last one, the fifth one, is Deuteronomy, and it has 34 chapters. Repeat these after me. Genesis, 50 chapters. Exodus, 40 chapters. Leviticus, 27 chapters. Numbers, 36 chapters. Deuteronomy, 34 chapters. Genesis, 50 chapters. Exodus, 40 chapters. Leviticus, 27 chapters. Numbers, 36 chapters. And the last one, Deuteronomy, 34 chapters. Let's repeat this again. Genesis, 50 chapters. Exodus, 40 chapters. Leviticus, 27 chapters. Numbers, 36 chapters. And Deuteronomy, 34 chapters. So friends, I hope you have learned first 5 books of the Bible. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe our channel, and also please hit the bell icon to never miss our videos. And please comment below, and please share our videos. Bye. God bless you.